Our today's product is electric screwdriver kit. This durable kit meets the needs of mainstream electronic products and new small household appliances disassembly and assembly. Before starting the video, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Let's go and unbox this handy device and see what's inside it. There is gray color metal kit box, which include 24 pieces of steel precision bits. 6 pieces are commonly used 45mm long bits to cope with more complex situation, while 18 pieces are 28mm short bit. It has one-click pop-up feature to open and close the kit box. It has small in size, built-in rechargeable lithium battery which gives long service life, and 400+ precision screws can be hit when fully charged. A universal Type-C charging interface. The indicator light beside the charging port can provide low power warning and charging status prompt in time. Press the front L button to screw out when you are going to open, and press the R button to screw in when you are going to close it. It's easy to use in 1 second. The buttons are made of soft touch, soft rubber material, which saves effort for pressing for a long time without tired hands. 2 gears precise torque adjustment to protect precision screws. You can adjust according to requirement for hard tightening. Strong magnetic motor, the maximum speed can reach 200 RPM. With the all-metal gearbox, the concentricity of the bits is less than 0.2 mm when rotating, which can effectively improve the finishing efficiency. This magnetic box keeps the bits tight so you will not miss them. Product purchase link is mentioned in the description. Please visit and get yours. Hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss our amazing videos.